So here's some examples of Redscale film. I absolutely love this type of photography. Shots come out really strange, and you get some really interesting results. It is not the same as putting a filter over the front of your lens or doing it in post in Photoshop. So I'll show you now how you turn normal film into Redscale. So this is how I make Redscale film. You can actually buy this from Lomography already done, but it's fairly simple to do. So I take some Kodak 400, which is C41 film, colour film. I take an old canister which has got a bit of a tab left on it. I cut the leader off the brand new reel of film, and I'm going to sticky tape it onto the other empty canister, but I'm going to make sure it's the other way around. So I'm just trimming the tape here just so there's not too much spare tape sticking out. So if you notice, I flip them around and they're both now the same way, the canisters. They've both got the sticky out bit facing the bottom. So when I reel the new film onto the old canister, it's the other way around. So I'm sticking them together here. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as you can get the start of it into the empty canister. So I'm just winding it on a bit. Now you make sure this is done in a dark bag. Is next procedure. You don't do this in the daylight, otherwise you'll lose all your film. So now they're stuck together. I'm going to put them in a dark bag, or you could use a dark room, a complete pitch black, and I'm going to manually wind the film into the empty canister, which is the Reflex 800 here. And you can see I've done that now. That 400 Kodak is empty, so I'm just going to leave, just for future use, I'm just going to leave a little bit of the film sticking out, so it's handy. So there's a new reel, and I've cut the leader so I can load it into the camera. So that is now the opposite way around that film, so I'll be shooting from the back. So I hope that was useful. I've got a few more tips and stuff. Consider commenting and subscribing if you want, and I'll see you in future videos. Bye.